What's up, guys? Making another video. Today I'm replacing these OEM headlights for these Truck-Lite brand LED lights. That's what the box looks like. It's supposed to be a lot brighter. I know the high beam is like insanely bright compared to the OEM. There's a little picture they give. But as far as I know, it's just plug and play. One simple plug. And yeah, these are super easy to replace. As far as I know, there's supposed to be a plastic clip around this, or a kind of a plastic retainer that's not here right now because I was taking this plastic piece off. Other than that though, you just have this metal retainer around the headlight. It has 4 screws around, I think, and then take that off and it should pop right out, and then plug the other one back in, see what it looks like. So after this is out, that's all it takes. All you need is literally one screwdriver to do this installation. There is up on this, technically, up and down, the tab that is towards the inside of the car, just like that. That's kind of the only thing you gotta remember when putting these back on. After you take that out though, this just pops out. Just that one clip I was talking about, the one plug. And yeah. So it's installed, at least one side. Comparison. Nice because they have the black housing. So I think it's a pretty clean look. Let's turn them on. Don't see much during the day, but end result. I think these are the high beams. I'm having a problem with the high beams not turned off, but you guys get the point. Super bright.